Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2013 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your front windshield washers are not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Windshield washer fuse is located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here. Now to lift this cover you will have two black clips, one on this side and one on the opposite side. To unlock it you want to press it together and then lift it straight up. And you will do the same thing on the other side. And then you can remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram which can be definitely helpful. And right here at the bottom right corner you will have a fuse remover which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Front windshield washer fuse is located right here. It's fuse number 39 and it's a 20 amp yellow fuse. Hopefully this fuse will be burnt out and just by replacing it you will fix your problem. If this fuse is good, then the next thing you should look at is the windshield washer motor or the wiring or the switch itself. But most often, if fuse is good, you'll have to replace the motor, at least from my experience. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.